your oscilloscope to trigger and decode on serial packets from buses, like I2C, the MXO3 series oscilloscopes offers a number of serial trigger and decode options. Utilize either the analog or digital channels to connect your signals, and with the powerful decode capabilities, you can quickly trigger and decode on different serial buses. Here, you can see we are triggering and decoding on an I2C communication bus. You can turn on the decode table to see additional information about the bus. You can also set the threshold, trigger, and additional filters as necessary. Check out an MXO oscilloscope in your lab. See the difference.